Nanilo Premadana Koruna Prachu.
Maharaj, in the hour of crisis, how we are going to, preach the people?
Okay, sometimes we need to take a vacation, and in this vacation, what you can do is chant and read, and also you can preach. The people that you know, why don't you phone them and find out how they are doing? And this is the time they will listen more attentively.
Prabhupada didn't encourage us to go to Radhakund and live there. Prabhupada didn't encourage us to live in Vrindavan. Prabhupada wanted us to go to Vrindavan. But Prabhupada wanted us to go, stay wherever we are. And preach Krishna consciousness. That's the most important thing.
So, the thing is, in whichever condition you are in, remain Krishna conscious. And try to preach, even if you don't have mobile phone or telephone to preach to, then at least in your mind, keep on praying to Krishna, Krishna about their names. Tell Krishna, such and such person, you please take care of him. Such and such person, please take care of him. In this way, you can pray to Krishna about those people that you got to know. And that is also preaching.
Mahaprabhu wanted Krishna consciousness movement to spread. Now if everybody lives in Mathura and Radhakund and Vrindavan and Varsana, then what will happen to this world? Who will preach Krishna consciousness? Therefore, for the sake of Mahaprabhu's pleasure, we don't care for our spiritual advancement. And like Vasudev Datta, let me take all the sinful reactions of everybody and let me go to hell. But let everybody get delivered. That is the attitude of an advanced devotee. That is the mood that Srila Prabhupada wanted us to accept.
First thing, as a devotee, don't worry about it. But at the same time, take precaution. Okay, this happens, coronavirus may take place. Whether it's coronavirus or influenza or typhoid or whatever it is, you try to prevent. There is a saying, prevention is better than cure. Cure comes after you got the disease. So better to take precautions so that you don't get the disease. Why should you unnecessarily invite disease? Take precaution. Wash your hands with soap. For 20 seconds you rub the thing. And avoid contact with people. Don't come in close contact with people, those who may have. Don't go into a crowded situation.
We are prepared to go anywhere. That's why we are prepared to go to a place called America, which is not different from hell. But we dare to go there. Everybody is saying, Maharaj, why are you going there? Why are you going there? I know that place is hellish. But we have to go there to preach. And other boys are there, other devotees are there they are preaching. And if I stay in Ujjain, because there is some problems, coronavirus, then will that be appropriate? As their leader, I am hiding. And they are fighting the battle in the forefront. No. As a leader, I should be there with them. That's where I'm going.
If you're living in an old house and somebody comes, the city authority comes to you and tells you that this house may fall apart any time. So vacate the house and a beautiful palace has been made for you. So move in there. What will you do? Will you say, no, I want to stay here? And that is what's happening to the people in this world today. No, I want to stay in this world, in this body. Are Baba, a new body is waiting for you. So why be attached to that? So why be afraid of death? Therefore, don't be, when death will come, it will come. Whether through mosquito bite or coronavirus. And the final thing is, depend upon Krishna. मारो भी राखो भी जो इच्छा तुम्हारा, मारो भी राखो भी जो इच्छा तुम्हारा. And especially the spiritualists, they should not worry about that.
Thank you very much.